This is the story of this life. Allah never promised us paradise here on earth. He never promised us to get what we call upon Him for. He never promised us to grant us our wishes. He never promised us to make us enjoy this life to the fullest. Allah says, الَّذِي خَلَقَ الْمَوْتَ وَالْحَيَاةَ لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا. Allah says He created us to test us. This life is a life of test. That's the thing that He promised us. And He promised, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَظْلِمُ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ, that He is not going to commit injustice, even an atom's weight of injustice. There will be no injustice. So why, when we go through trials and hardships, when we don't get what we wish, when our plans are destroyed and ruined, why do we feel as if Allah is targeting us? Or as if Allah has abandoned us? Or as if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't care about us? Or as if Allah doesn't have mercy upon us? The Prophet ﷺ says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُعْطِي هَذِهِ الدُّنْيَا لِمَنْ يُحِبُّ وَلِمَنْ لَا يُحِبُّ وَلَا يُعْطِي الْآخِرَةَ إِلَّا لِمَنْ يُحِبُّ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives this dunya to the ones that He loves and the one that He doesn't love. But He only gives the akhirah to those He loves. So if you've been going through hardship, if you've been going through a financial loss, struggle, emotional, psychological, social, any type of pain, any type of suffering, and it's been going on for a long time, you're not alone. You're not the only one, and that's not strange. This is how life is meant to be. Not because Allah loves humans to suffer, but because فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا إِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Indeed, with every hardship there is ease. With every hardship there is ease, Allah says. So how do we deal with all of those hardships and calamities? Some people have been suffering for 10 years, some people for 20, some people for 50 years. They've been calling upon Allah to remove some kind of a predicament or hardship, and Allah hasn't removed it yet. Not because Allah doesn't care, but maybe Allah wants to elevate them. The Prophet ﷺ says in a hadith, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُهَيِّئُ لِأَحَدِكُمْ فِي الْجَنَّةِ مَنْزِلَةً عَالِيَةً لَا يَبْلُغُهَا بِعَمَلِهِ فَيَبْتَلِيهِ لِيَصْبِرْ فَيُبَلِّغُهُ إِيَّاهَا. أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. That Allah has a place for one of you in paradise, a high place, and the person doesn't do enough to get it. The person is not devout enough to do it. But Allah wants them to get there. So Allah sends hardships and pain and suffering on the way of this person. So this person responds with patience, and with this patience Allah elevates this person to that level. Anywhere you go, any side you sleep on, any ceiling you're under, you are well taken care of. There's no mistakes in your life. There's nothing random that ever happened to you in your life. Everything was written 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth. And this is a source of relief, because the one who wrote